Hi everyone. Earlier today someone said to me that they've got loads of duplicates on their iPhone in their Photos app. How can they get rid of the duplicates? Actually, it's really easy to do. If you're here on your iPhone, so what you need to do is go into your Photos app, tap on albums, maybe tap on it again if it's still showing just one album, scroll down to duplicates. You can see right there under the utility section, it's got duplicates. It's got 2,567. Obviously, that's where I want to go. As you can see, it's also got something here that says hidden. That's hidden photos. I've got a video for that. I'll put a link below so you can see how that works. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on duplicates. And here you go. Here's some of the duplicates I've got. Now, these are guitars. These are not my guitars. If you're interested, this was Mike Knopfler's guitars, the lead guitarist singer for Dire Straits, and he was auctioning them off, and I just went to have a look. But you can see I've got a whole load there. So these three, they look the same, and the way to deal with it, you can see right next to the date there, and to the right hand side it says merge. I'm going to just tap on that, and it's going to merge the three exact copies. Let's do that. Okay, so that's done that. It's now not showing me those ones. So if I do it again for this one, you can see that guitar, it's no longer there because they've now been merged together. So it's just one photo. This is going to save you space and also time looking through photos as well. So the other option I have is at the top, you can see it's got three dots. I can tap on that. There is, importantly, a filter. So I can filter by photos and videos because you could have duplicates of any of those. So if I was to choose photos, it's showing me all of those. I could also do the same again for the videos. Now, I'm just going to go back to all items. And if you had videos, you could just tap on the video one. You've also got an option there to select. I can now go select, 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 and I can now maybe select this one as well. And I can deselect it. And you can see now down at the bottom, it says merge 9 of them. So I've got 3 photos. I don't know why it ended up doing 3 photos for each of these. Maybe I airdropped them or duplicated. I don't know how that happened. But anyway, whatever reason they're there. So now I could merge 9 of those. So we'll just move each of those rows where there's a duplicate into one. So I could also, when I was in select, in the top left, I could have done select all and done merge 2,552. I must warn you, do this at your own risk. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm happy. It's worked for me, but please just be aware that something could happen. I haven't seen anything go wrong, but it potentially could. So just be aware of that. So if I tap on merge, I'm going to get them all to merge together. Now, I'm not going to do that because I just would rather go through and check which ones they are myself. So if I'm not happy, I can either do deselect all at the top, or a good idea, I'm just going to hit cancel. So that's how you can sort out the duplicates on your iPhone in the Photos app. Now, as I said, do this with a bit of caution, maybe do one and test it. I've tested it on mine. I'm happy with that. But just make sure yourself. So choose something and then just go back and see what it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you do like it, please like, share and subscribe and come back for more.